Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the exact font family and only the weights you need. That reduces load time. Once selected, add styles to the collection, then click Embed and copy the provided link tag or the @import string. You should place the link tag inside the head of your HTML or paste @import at the top of your main CSS file. Make sure to note the font family name exactly as shown so CSS rules match later. Now you integrate the font into stylesheets and components. If you used a link, the browser fetches the file automatically. If you used @import, ensure it's the very first rule in the CSS to avoid blocking. Then set font family in your CSS selectors or component styles, adding a native fallback like sans serif. Assign matching font weight values for headings and body text so the browser chooses the correct subtype. Once done, test in multiple browsers to confirm weights load as expected. Finish by optimizing delivery and adding a fallback policy. Add and display equals swap to the embed URL to show fallback text until the font loads, which improves perceived performance. Then audit network requests in DevTools to confirm font files are fetched and not blocked. Look for 200 responses and correct MIME. If you see the wrong font or no change, double-check the exact family name used in CSS. Ensure the link or @import was saved, and clear browser cache. Those fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.